Morocco is known for many things. The bustle of the Medinas, the vastness of the Sahara, its endless coastline, its iconic cuisine, and the incomparable hospitality of its people. But few mention the roads and the unforgettable experience of driving them. The tight passes on the edge of the Atlas Mountains, finding your own road in a Saharan sandstorm, playing a high-speed game of chicken on the one-lane desert straights. Sometimes the drive becomes more than just getting there. Sometimes the destination is the drive.